In this short video, I will show you how to integrate cameras into DBM6000. All licenses have 2 cameras integrated into the system. In my case, I have 50, but nevertheless. How it works is that you right-click at your server and then add a video recorder. I've already added mine. It looks like this. So my local IP address is here, or it could also be remote IP. The RCP port is here. It's called 554 as standard for a long-stick computer or XVR. Together also with admin and 12345, that's also standard. Once that's done, it will show that the test is okay. And if we right-click at the device and then add a camera, I already got 2 on. I can just add another. Double-click, give it the right name, and then add it to the channel. In this case, it's a 16 channel for physical analog cameras, and then the rest is IP. But the first 2 has been taken, so we just take camera number 3. Okay. Normally it would also give me an image from that camera, but since I have only 2 active, it won't show. Now this is present on the installation window. I can right-click and see the properties, add camera to the video window. Now it will appear over there if it was active. Let's just remove it from this window and just take one of the other ones right there. We can remove this and we can make it permanent. If we make it permanent, it will stay on. Next time we start up the application, it will remain there. The limit in this case is how many active cameras we can have on simultaneously. Of course, it could be to do with the bandwidth, so it's not always a good idea to have that many. We also have the option over here to playback video. Looks like this. Right, we can have it on the plans window by going to the plans. The active plan is in this case the one called DPI, doesn't matter, could be on any plan. I'll just go to the tool and then I can drag and drop my camera into the plans window. I can give it a name. If I don't like the one called office, I can give it whatever. I can also just remove it if I don't want to have a name on. If I want to have a different image for the camera, I can double click, enter whichever name I have stored in the image folder, and then afterwards I can rotate it and fit it to my need. So once that's done, you can see the camera is now looking like this. I think I'll just remove it because it's not active anyway. But that's how to work it around in the plans window. I can just save the plan, yes please. So let's just remove this from our video monitoring window. I can double click on the left or on the right camera directly. And we can see an online active image from the location. And we can also, at the same way as before on the installation window, add it to the video window to the right. Let's have both active. That's how it looks. If we have got a recording on the time of the event, we can also, just by right-clicking and say View Video. And I will just have to choose which camera I want to choose. Dome left, okay. So this camera is now, well, sorry, the translation is too long. It will swallow up a bit of the time, but anyway, 12:52, that's according to the event window correct. So here we can pause and we can scroll, go to the end, next recording, etc. That's how it works. So now you can actually associate an event directly with a video capture from your device. Of course, if you have an active recording at that time. So this is how you use the DinVideo. If you have got further questions, don't hesitate to write to us directly. Thank you.